Mustang. This is Ford. So let's see the model. This one, you cannot identify its model. I think it's Mustang 4-seat. I like the color. Yeah, and there is this one also. This one, Abiat. This one Mustang convertible. This one convertible. Let's identify this model. Difficult. This one also 4-seat. This one convertible. This one I open plug. This one 4-cylinder with the supercharge. 4-cylinder with turbo. This one Mustang. Very nice. Jeep. This is a Jeep. Collection of bad boys. It's a Jeep. For that one, I opened plug because it was misfiring, but we need to open injectors. Cadillac. Cadillac. Escalade. With the big nyash. Na igwe tontia.